The science of superheroes is a concept that explores the scientific principles behind the superhuman abilities and extraordinary powers often portrayed in comic books, movies, and other forms of popular culture. It aims to bridge the gap between fiction and reality by examining how scientific concepts and theories can provide insight into the plausibility or limitations of these powers. The concept gained popularity as an entertaining and educational way to engage audiences in science. Certainly. Here's an overview of the scientific aspects behind some common superpowers. 1. Invisibility. Achieving true invisibility, as depicted in superhero stories, is challenging from a scientific standpoint. However, scientists have made progress in developing technologies that can bend light around an object, effectively rendering it invisible. While current cloaking technologies are limited to certain wavelengths and object sizes, they offer glimpses of the possibility of achieving partial invisibility in the future. 2. Flight. Human flight without the aid of external devices, such as wings or jetpacks, is not currently possible due to the limitations imposed by our physiology and the principles of aerodynamics. However, various approaches have been explored to mimic flight. One method involves using specially designed wingsuits to glide through the air. 3. Superhuman strength. Extraordinary strength, as seen in superheroes, often defies the limits of human musculature and the laws of physics. However, there are instances in which extraordinary strength can be explained by existing scientific concepts. For example, genetic mutations affecting muscle development, such as myostatin-related muscle hypertrophy, can result in individuals possessing significantly greater muscle mass and strength than average. 4. Super speed. Achieving superhuman speed presents challenges due to the limits of human physiology and the constraints of physics. However, advancements in biomechanics and robotics have led to the development of advanced prosthetic limbs, such as carbon fiber blades, which allow potential for high-speed transportation in the future. 5. Telepathy. The ability to read minds or communicate directly with others through thought remains within the realm of science fiction. Our current understanding of brain function and neural activity does not support the existence of telepathy as commonly depicted. 6. Super healing, regeneration. Superheroes often possess the ability to heal rapidly from injuries or regenerate lost tissue. While human bodies have some regenerative capabilities, such as wound healing, achieving the level of superhuman regeneration seen in comics is currently beyond our scientific capabilities. 7. Telekinesis. Telekinesis refers to the ability to move objects using the power of the mind. While no scientific evidence supports telekinesis as portrayed in fiction, brain-computer interfaces, BCIs, are being developed to allow individuals to control external devices using their thoughts. By detecting and interpreting neural signals, BCIs can enable people to manipulate robotic limbs or control electronic devices. While it's a far cry from moving objects with pure thought, it showcases the potential for mind-controlled interactions. 8. Energy manipulation. Superheroes who can manipulate or generate energy, such as shooting energy blasts or controlling electricity, often defy the laws of physics as we currently understand them. However, scientific concepts like electromagnetic fields and plasma physics provide some basis for understanding energy manipulation. 9. Time manipulation. Controlling or manipulating time is a common superpower in fiction, but it remains firmly in the realm of fantasy. While time dilation is a well-established concept in physics, achieving the ability to freeze, reverse, or travel through time as depicted in superhero stories is currently beyond scientific reach. 10. Shape-shifting. Shape-shifting, the ability to alter one's physical form or appearance, is a staple of many superheroes. While humans cannot naturally change their shape in such a dramatic manner, some organisms in nature, like certain species of octopuses, possess remarkable camouflage abilities that allow them to alter their appearance to match their surroundings. Remember that these scientific explanations are speculative and often stretch the boundaries of current scientific knowledge. Superpowers are primarily creative constructs in storytelling, designed to captivate and entertain audiences. Nonetheless, exploring the scientific concepts behind them can be a fascinating way to appreciate the wonders of science and inspire further scientific exploration. Thanks for watching.